In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can deactivate a Facebook page. First of all, you need to log into that specific page. After logging in, click on that profile icon and then go to settings and privacy and then go to the settings. Now in the sidebar, you will see settings and privacy. Scroll it and scroll it even more and go towards the your information section. Here you will see access and control. Click on it. Now it will open deactivation options for you, whether you want to deactivate your page, unpublish it or delete it. Overall process is same for all these options, so I will show you how you can deactivate it. So choose the deactivation option and then click on continue. Now enter the password of your Facebook profile and then click on continue. Now select a reason for deactivation. You can choose any one of them, but I'm going to choose this is temporary. I will be back. So I will choose it and it is asking me to simply log out, but I want to deactivate it. So I will cancel it and then I will click on deactivate and deactivate now again. Now wait for a moment until it refreshed this page, and now it has redirected me towards my main profile and my page have been deactivated. So in this way you can deactivate a page from your Facebook profile. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and if you are watching on Facebook or TikTok, make sure to follow the profile. Thank you very much.